Hi there, this is Arturo. This is for all those that aspire to be a mechanic. We need you. We need more mechanics in the future. You don't know how valuable you are. I know you have doubts now, but that's okay. I'm here to help you. And this is how I'll begin.
Hi everybody, it's me, Astu, clocking in. Today I'm going to show you how to balance tires like a pro. Yup, that's right, balance tires like a pro. Before we get to it, I just want to remind you that I want to reach 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 views. So please help me out with that. I would appreciate it a lot. So come with me. Let's get to it. Show you how to balance tires like a pro, step by step. Like I said before, I know it's gonna be kind of tricky, but you're gonna learn fast. Trust me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. As tool. Let's get it. Come with me. This little guy right here called the spacer is gonna go in the middle of the rim. It all depends what type of rim you're gonna use. We have different type of shapes and dimensions, so I'll show you later in this video how to use it. You saw me putting the spacer first, then the tire, now the adjuster. With the knob, we're gonna select what type of tire we want to balance. We have passenger tires, light truck tires, and for all the above. The option LT tires, known as light truck tires, is for minivans, vans, trucks, and all the cars that are bigger than the passenger car tires. The option P tires, known as passenger tires, is only for the small cars, regular cars. In this mode you can balance passenger tires and light truck tires. The dimension arm. The dimension arm is gonna set the dimension of the rim in the computer so you can have a better balance of it. It doesn't matter if it's a steel rim, light truck rim, or passenger rim. You're always gonna put the dimension arm like this. Keep it close to the rim and then press the pedal once, like that. Position the dimension arm right next to this line and then press the pedal once so you set it in the computer. Once you position the air hose in the air valve, the computer is going to show you this screen. Then with the knob, you're going to select how much pressure, how much air you want in the tire. Once the machine reaches the amount of pressure that you input in the computer, the machine is going to let you know with a beep, and the tire is going to look green, as you can see. Then you are good to go for the next step. We are about to balance the tire, and if you didn't remove the old weights, now is the best time to remove them. Now that we just removed the old weights, we're gonna proceed to balance the tire like this. Now we have weights for steel rims and chrome rims, which are this. Like I mentioned before, we have two types of weights. One type is the type that bite the rim, and the other type is the sticky one. This is for both weights. The weights are measured by ounces. With the sticky weights, every sticky weight weighs 0.25 ounces. And with the other type of weight, its dimensions change depending on the measure. For instance, you'll see the small with 0.25 ounces, then it gets bigger, 0.50, 0.75, 1.0 ounces, until 3.0 ounces. And always, most of the time, the sticky weights go inside the rim like I'm about to show you. That red laser is going to show you where you must install the sticky weight. Don't forget to clean with brake cleaner the spot where you're going to put the weight on, so the weight doesn't fall out. And just to make sure we position the weights in the right place, we balance the tire again. As you can see, the computer is telling you that you did a great job by installing the weights in the tire. Hey there, how did it go? You guys got it? I knew it.
I appreciate your time, and I appreciate the views and the subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm gonna keep doing my thing here. I'm gonna try to teach you how to do things. And thanks a lot. I see you in the next project. Take care. Astuvo, clacking out. Hey!